Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about clinical math, chapter 5. It's about solving linear equations. Oh, two unknowns or three unknowns. Okay, first let's look at how we solve linear equations with two unknowns. So like we have something a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, a1x plus b, that's b2 plus c2 equals 0. So something like this is linear because its own the max power is 1. And we have two unknowns, x and y. Example 1 is when you solve this. So if we have x minus 3y equals 6, 2x plus 3y equals 3. So when you solve by using elimination, let's first eliminate x first. So here. So if we need to eliminate x, let's this is 1, this is 2. So 1 is times 2, number 2. And we get 2x minus 6y equals 12. This is 3. Then we can use 2 minus 3. We get negative. So it's 2x plus 3y minus 2x plus 6y. Right, subtract right. 3 minus 12. So we get 3y plus 6y equals negative 9. 9y equals negative 9. Y equals negative 1. And then we can plug in y equals negative 1 into 1. We'll get x minus 3 times negative 1 equals 6. X equals 3. So x equals 3, y equals negative 1. This is the solution. Now let's look at if we need to eliminate y. What can we do? So originally it's x minus 3y equals 6. 2x plus 3y equals 3. This is 1, this is 2. So we can just do 1 plus 2. We'll get x minus 3y left plus left. Plus 2x plus 3y. This left equals 6 plus 3. Then we simplify 3x equals 9. X equals 3. Then we can plug in x equals 3 into 1. We get 3 minus 3y equals 6. Then y equals -1. This is what we get. X equals 3. And y equals -1. By eliminate y. And we can also solve it by substitution. So if we do substitution, we have x minus 3y equals 6. 2x plus 3y equals 3. This is 1. This is 2. So from 1, we get x equals 6 plus 3y. This is 3. We can plug 3 into 2. So 2 times 6 plus 3y plus 3y equals 3. 12 plus 6y plus 3y equals 3. Then 12 plus 9y equals 3. Y equals to -1. After we get this, we can plug y equal -1 back to 3. So x equals 6 plus 3y equals 6 plus 3 times -1 equals 3. This is solving equation by substitution. So x equals 3, y equals -1. Next method, we can look at by solving equation by using determinant. So the equation is still x equals x minus 3y equals 6. 2x plus 3y equals 3. So determinant means it's this is 2D determinant, A1, B1, A2, B2. And it's a number. It's A1, B2 minus B1, A2. It's cross products and then do subtraction. So how we use this to solve linear equation is x equals. So we replace the x coefficient with C1, C2, which is 6 and 3, and -3, 3. On the bottom, it's 1, 2, -3, 3. So we have 6 times 3 minus 3 times -3. 1 times 3 minus 2 times -3. It will give us actually equal to 18 plus 9 divided by 3 plus 6. So 27 divided by 9, which is 3. And for y, it's lowercase y equal to, so that's the coefficient for x, 1, 2, and replace the y coefficient with c1 and c2. On the bottom, it's the same. 1, 2, -3, 3. So we have 1 times 3 minus 2 times 6. What about 1 times 3 minus 2 times -3? That will give us 3 minus 12 over 3 plus 6. So -9 over 9, which is -1. So x equals 3, y equals -1. This is solving using determinant. So if we have determinants, for example, if we have 6, -4, -6, 12, we'll have 6 times 12 minus -6 times -4. So 72 minus 24, that's 48. Another example is 1, 6, -3, -6. We'll have 1 times -6 minus -3 times 6. That's -6 plus 18 equals 12. We have 5, -3, 15, -9. That equals 5. 5 times -9 minus -3 times 15. So this is 45 plus 45 equals 0. This is how we do determine cross products. Then do subtraction A1, B1, A2, B2 equals A1, B2 minus A2, B1. This is how we solve linear equation. Let's do a summary. You can solve linear equation by using elimination, substitution, and by using determinant. Okay, I hope you know how to solve linear equation now for 2 unknowns right now. And later on, we can solve linear equation with 3 unknowns, 4 unknowns. Same method, maybe get more complicated, more calculation, but it's the same method. We'll talk about how to solve linear equation with 3 unknowns and 4 unknowns in the future. Thank you for watching today's video.